Is your Samsung Express printer from M2000 series showing offline even when it's properly connected? Don't worry, this is a common issue that can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. In today's video, I'll walk you through easy and effective methods to bring your printer back online. From restarting the device to checking system settings and restarting essential services. Just follow along step by step and you should be able to resolve the issue quickly. Or if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Restart your device. Start by pressing the power button to turn off your printer. Next, unplug the printer's power cable from the socket. Leave the printer idle for about 2 minutes. Avoid touching anything during this time. It helps reset the system. After that, plug the power cable back in and turn the printer back on. If your printer is still showing offline, don't worry. Move on to the next method. Method 2. Ensure Use Printer Offline is not selected. On your computer, go to the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. In the Control Panel window, click on the Hardware and Sound. Then, Devices and Printers. Click on the Printers and Scanners to view all connected devices. Locate your Samsung printer from the list and click on it. Scroll down and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. Find your Samsung printer again. Right-click on it and open the menu. Click on See What's Printing. In the new window, click on the Printer tab at the top. Check if Use Printer Offline is selected. If yes, click on it to disable it. If the issue still continues, proceed to the next method. Also, let us know your Samsung printer model in the comments. Method 3. Restart the print spooler. Open the search bar, type Services and click on it. In the Services window, scroll down and find Print Spooler. Right-click on the print spooler and select Restart. Wait for the few seconds while it restarts. Once done, your printer should be ready to use. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.